Casey Lail here, John Paul Mitchell Systems National Educator, and I am just so excited to show you these awesome products that I have been gifted. When I tell you, I'm genuinely like a kid on Christmas morning, just opening up some great gifts and presents to be so grateful for. I mean, that's literally how I feel right now. I'm just so excited to see what's in store and what great products Paul Mitchell has sent me. Oh my gosh, you guys, no. I cannot believe it. So we're going to check it out. Here are some awesome goodies they sent me. So, of course, the brand new Tea Tree Hemp Restoring Shampoo and Body Wash. And then we have the Tea Tree Hemp Nourishing Restoring Conditioner and Body Lotion. Followed up by the Clean Beauty Heat Styling Spray. I'm so excited for that. That is brand spanking new. And then the Clean Beauty Volumizing Liquid as well. So fun, literally brand new. I have not used those Clean Beauty products at all. And then the Clean Beauty Styling Cream as well. Oh, what's left? Hold up. Oh my gosh, the brand new Express Ion WavePress. I have been wanting this for like literally so long. So the fact that I got this in is like amazing. So I went ahead and washed my hair with the Tea Tree Hemp shampoo and conditioner. And then now I'm going to put in the Heat Styling Spray by Clean Beauty. Now this is just going to protect my strands from any intense heat that may come my way from my blow dry. After that, I'm going to put in some styling cream just to add a little bit of condition and memory into my hair, also to help with any sort of frizz that may come about. But the main thing is just memory, and that way my hair can really hold its form. I would definitely say it's definitely more of like a flexible hold though. So working that through my mid shaft to ends on my damp hair. Again, I did wash with the new Tea Tree Hemp. And then last, I'm going to put in the volumizing liquid from Clean Beauty. That is so amazing too, because it's going to really plump up my hair strands and give me some much needed lift and volume. So I'm going to pump just a little bit in my hands there. I like to kind of work my product in my hands first before applying it. And again, just applying it mid shaft to ends. I'm trying not to put it directly too much into my scalp, but then I am going to brush all those products in to make sure I get a nice even coat on my canvas I'm working with. Then I do use the Neuro Grip hair dryer to get me nice and blow dried. Thank goodness I have that heat styling spray. Next, we're going to use the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools WavePress. Like, look at that. Do you see how it makes those like barrels to give you the most perfect wave? And I'm going to section my hair off. And the key to this is to take smaller sections all day long. So you can see me working that in there. And then you want to go where the last bevel was and press your iron from there. You like the last bend in the hair, that's where you want to place that iron. So you can see it made a beautiful wave. And I'm going to continue to work up my head for my next section, clipping it out of the way. And again, small sections are key. So you can see that side's already done. Do you see how that wave is literally just framing my face? Absolutely love it. This is such a fun tool. Yay. And if you see, I'm just moving it down just to where that last bend was that I got from my first press. And then now we're at the top. And same thing, just working it up. Now, I also like to alternate like where I place it. That way you don't feel like you're getting the same placement over and over again with your waves. So if I start it like an inch away from my head, my next strand may be like an inch and a half away from my head. It just gives it a true like wave effect. And again, such a fun hairstyle. And look at that volume that you can already see that my hair is getting from that volumizing liquid. And of course the texture that this WavePress is giving me. So here it is finished, but then here it is finished. Now I'm ready to go on a sleigh ride. Let me tell you, get me some hot chocolate. I'm so thankful for these gifts from Paul Mitchell. I actually did wear this and got so many compliments on it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.